Hello, welcome to the third Scratch tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add some dialogue. So first you're going to obviously need a second character, meaning that you might want to either duplicate yours or make an entirely new one. Since I don't really need to, I'm just going to duplicate mine, and I'm just going to get rid of all of the things on this because that's from the animation tutorial, which was the last one, and I can get rid of this for now. What you can do as well is put them maybe there, and then also you can either flip them in this way, or there's options with code. So I'll just flip them here, simple as that, and we have them ready talking. Let's put them a bit closer. Obviously, as you know, when the flag is clicked, he's going to do his little animation. This one, I'm just going to change him up a bit. I think this one will be a girl character, just so it's kind of, so they're like different people. I'm just going to indicate this simply. You could obviously add like new hair, new all that stuff. You also are obviously going to need to, if you do flip it, move the shine to the correct position, because obviously the shine would be at the same place, because if the sun is at the same place, it wouldn't be there for this one character unless there was two suns. So what you're going to want to do, since I've already got an animation and I want after that for it to play the audio, I'm going to then broadcast the message. Let's do dialogue. Simple as that. And then when I receive dialogue, then you also want to duplicate that and put it on you. So when I receive dialogue, it is going to say, so you can either do this with saying hello and stuff like that, so it appears like that, or you can go down to here and do what I personally do, text to speech, which is really simple to set up. So we'll set this one's voice to this one, and we'll have them say, hello, how are you today? As simple as that. Hello, how are you today? So now, as you see, if we go to this, he will do his little movements, just dancing around, and then she will say,
hello, how are you today?
And then you can either do this by timing it correctly, but what I personally do is get another broadcast. So broadcast, let's just do 1 as this message, and this one, well, when I receive 1, say good. And you, and then you can copy the system back and forth and just have a little conversation. So you can obviously do what I personally like to do and add like exclamation marks in the places where you'd want them. And then if I save, I'm just going to deactivate this for now, so and just add that on so it's simple and quick. And as you can see,
hello, how are you today? Good, and you?
But as you can see, this one's alto as well as the voice, so you can do the voice tenor, for example, and it will sound a bit different.
Hello, how are you today?
Good, and you?
And then you can just keep going back and forth. You can obviously have different languages, so you could go, for example, Spanish or Swedish if you wanted to, and you could have different languages speaking. But another thing you're going to want to do is either a simple way to do it, which is to have as the final costume, so you duplicate the final costume and you just give them a little mouth, just like so it kind of looks like they're speaking. Or you can set up like an entire lip syncing setup, meaning that it would basically have like the tongue in areas, the mouth closed in areas. Since this is a pretty small tutorial, I'm not going to do that. I might do that as another episode though. And it's not the best animated, I will admit. And when it receives dialogue, switch costume to A2. But obviously you're going to need it to be normal at the start, so you're going to want A when flag clicked. Same with this one, when flag clicked, switch costume to A22. So that would be connected on the bottom normally, but it's fine for now. You're going to want to put it there though. Then you also want it to, after it's finished, stop having the voice like his or her mouth open. So after they've spoken, you're going to want to yet again switch it back to the last costume.
Hello, how are you today?
Good, thank you.
Simple as that. And it can be done in elaborate ways, in unelaborate ways, and it's as simple as it kind of is it looks. Then obviously if you wanted to, you could also copy this and get rid of this and replace it with, say, hello, how are you today? For example. Hello, how are you today? Meaning that it would also say it, sort of. It is pretty annoying to set up though, as you need the dialogue to be timed right. So for 2 seconds, I'll go for 1 second and 25 milliseconds, and we'll see if that works right for the thing. So as you can see,
Hello, how are you
Good,
today?
thank you. Good, thank you.
see it's not perfectly lined, so you're going to want to get rid of the broadcast there.
Hello, how are you today?
Good.
See, it's
thank you.
not perfectly lined, so this is a pretty hard task. You have to
Hello, how are you today?
Good.
you have to
thank
try
you.
and do that. And it can be pretty hard to get set up, but obviously you can do it again and have, say, in my example, good and you, good and you, and then it's that, but this probably needs to be 1.5. So there we go.
Hello, how are you today?
Good, thank you.
See, it's quite hard to get it lined up, but I've got it pretty well there, and then you can go as far as you want, adding different mouth movements, different movements and gestures for when they're talking, and all that sort of stuff, and just go out your way to make it quite a hard one to make. This is as simple as it can really get. I just wanted to make it quick for the video. So now, at the end, I will show the final result after today's episode.
Hello, how are you today?
Good, thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out my account, tthe, and go look at some projects if you would like. That's all for today's tutorial. T-Dog